So, Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We discussed what is comprehension. तो इस comprehension का जो basic idea है of silent comprehension passage वो ये है कि suppose your friend and you decided to play a game in which one person will tell a story and the second one has to answer the related questions asked. तो एक आपने दो दोस्त हैं डिसाइड किया कि भाई एक गेम करते हैं, तो एक दोस्त है स्टोरी शुरू करता है, दूसरा सुनता है। तो उसके बाद जो उसको कहा गया है कि जैसे स्टोरी खत्म होगी तो आपको सवाल किए जाएंगे, उनके जवाब दें। तो फर्स्टली योर फ्रेंड टेल्स यू अ स्टोरी एंड आस्क सम क्वेश्चंस. व्हाट विल यू ट्राई टू डू व्हाइल लिसनिंग टू द स्टोरी एंड आंसरिंग द क्वेश्चंस? तो आप क्या करेंगे जब स्टोरी सुनेंगे? तो क्या करेंगे? तो यू विल ट्राई टू फाइंड द आंसर्स फ्रॉम द स्टोरी एंड नॉट टू मेक योर ओन अजम्पशंस. ज़ाहिर है जो क्वेश्चंस किए जाएंगे द क्वेश्चंस विल बी अबाउट द स्टोरी एंड द आंसर्स you have to give from the story. So you have not to make your own assumptions. अपनी assumptions तो नहीं कर सकते. So this is the basic idea of solving comprehension passage. In this section, we will learn about solving comprehension passages. So ये tips, these slides we did already. Now, here we had left passage dolphins. So this is a comprehension example. Now when we read this passage, dolphins are regarded as the friendliest creatures in the sea, and stories of them helping down sailors have been common since Roman times. Roman times is Roman empires. It's very old. Dolphins stories are very old. कि वो तो सेलर्स को सेलर्स जो जहाज चलाते थे उनको किस तरह डॉल्फिन्स जो है से मुश्किल हालात में हेल्प करती थी. The more we learn about dolphins, the more we realize that their society is more complex than people previously imagined. How the people imagine about dolphins. So that was imagination or point of view. But when you come near to the dolphins, then your opinion may be changed. They look after other dolphins when they are ill. When some dolphins fall ill, so other dolphins look after them. This was observed. Care for pregnant mothers. Second काम क्या करते हैं कि any dolphin which has become pregnant, so other dolphins care that pregnant mother and protect them and protect the weakest in the community as we do some. तो जिस तरह यानी एक तो डॉल्फिन्स एक दूसरे को लुक आफ्टर करते हैं किस तरह कि अगर एक डॉल्फिन becomes pregnant, then other dolphins take care of that pregnant mother. So, and also dolphins collectively protect the weakest in the community. If any dolphin is weak in the community, उस community में एक dolphin कमजोर है, तो उसको भी look after किया जाता है. As we do in our society, we also do we also take care of the weakest persons in our society. Some scientists have suggested, what scientists have suggested, that dolphins have a language, but it is much more probable that they communicate with each other without needing words. The scientists have researched that dolphins have a language. Now, what is that language? Then they came to know that their language is indifferent. एक मनफरद किस्म की लैंग्वेज है उनकी, क्योंकि they don't talk, they don't need using words. Could any of these mammals be more intelligent than man? तो फिर क्वेश्चन उठता है कि क्या इन मैमल्स में, इन एनिमल्स में से कोई मोर इंटेलिजेंट है इंसान जात से? This is the question. Certainly, the most common argument in favor of man's superiority over them, that we can kill them more easily than they can kill us, in the least satisfactory. Is the least satisfactory. यानी एक सिर्फ ये जवाब दें कि हम डॉल्फिन्स को आसानी से मार सकते हैं in comparison of dolphins can kill us. तो ये तो एक least जो है satisfactory answer है. On the contrary, the more we discover about these remarkable creatures, the less we appear superior when we destroy them. हालांकि दूसरी जगह अगर हम we discover about the remarkable creatures, when we try to discover about the dolphins, then we feel that we are then the less we appear superior when we destroy them. तो हम superior कम नजर आते हैं when we destroy them. जब उनको हम तबाह करते हैं, मारते हैं, तो पता लगता है, क्या महसूस करते हैं कि वो we are not superior to them, but we are inferior to them, because dolphins cannot kill other dolphins. Dolphins cannot kill people, but man can kill dolphins. Man can kill other men. So it means, how can we say that we are superior to dolphins? So dolphins have their own, you see that society, their own values. They talk with each other, but they don't need words to speak. Now, what is their language? This only dolphins knew. So this is the passage about dolphins. मुख्तसर एक पैसेज है. अब एक दफा हम पढ़ गए इसको, तो अगर इसकी पूरा पैसेज का पर्पस या स्टोरी हमें समझ में नहीं आया, तो हम फिर इसको दूसरी बार पढ़ सकते हैं. Again, I give reading. Dolphins are regarded as the friendliest creatures in the sea, and stories of them helping drowned sailors have been common since Roman times. It is famous since Roman times, since Roman empires period. They used to help drowning sailers. जो sailors drown होते थे, उनको dolphins save करते थे. The more we learn about dolphins, the more we realize that their society is more complex than people previously imagined. they look after other dolphins when they are ill. Now, this is the wonderful thing. The dolphins also look after those dolphins who become ill, like we people. They care for pregnant mothers. We also do the same and protect the weakest in the community. We do also same as we do. So some scientists have suggested that dolphins have a language. Now dolphins have a language, but it is much more probable that they communicate with each other without needing words. When they communicate with each other, they don't need words. Could any of these mammals be more intelligent than man? अब इंटेलिजेंस का जहां तक ताल्लुक है, तो क्या हम ये क्वेश्चन उठा सकते हैं, क्या इनमें से कोई भी मैमल इंसान से ज्यादा इंटेलिजेंट है? Certainly, the most common argument in favor of man's superiority over them, उनके ऊपर अगर हमारी सुपीरियरिटी है, हम कहते हैं हम उनसे सुपीरियर हैं, तो उसके लिए जो कॉमन आर्गुमेंट दे सकते हैं वो ये है कि दैट वी कैन किल देम मोर इजीली, हम उनको मार सकते हैं आसानी से, देन दे कैन किल अस. This is the argument. This is the least satisfactory. ये कम से कम satisfactory answer है. On the contrary, the more we discover about these remarkable creatures, the less we appear superior when we destroy them. When we destroy them, when we kill them, then we feel that we are not superior to them. Now it is clear from the passage that dolphins, now here are A, B, C, D options, don't want to be with us as much as we want to be with them. Dolphins don't want to be with us as much as we want to be with them. वो हमारे साथ इतना नहीं ठहरना चाहेंगे जितना हम उनके के साथ ठहर सकते हैं. तो ये एक ऑप्शन है. Dolphins are proven to be less intelligent than once thought. तो ये डॉल्फिन्स साबित किया गया है कि डॉल्फिन्स आर more proven to be less intelligent. And yet second option है, C is have a reputation for being friendly to humans. तो इस पैसेज से हमें क्या सबक मिलता है कि we have come to know that dolphins have a reputation for being friendly to humans. This seems very correct answer, because in old days, since Roman empires, when sailors drowned, they came forward to help them. Acha. The dolphins are the most powerful creatures that live in the oceans. I think it's not true. Anyway, these four options are here. Now it's up to you which answer is correct. Now you can try to understand the passage and then you can give the answer, the appropriate answer of these options. That what is clear from the passage that dolphins. The fact that the writer of the passage thinks that we can kill the dolphins more easily than they kill us. That the fact that the writer of the passage thinks. What is the fact? According to the writer, what is the fact? While writing this passage, he thinks that we can kill the dolphins more easily, they can kill us. Now, first option means that they are better adapted to their environment than we are. Now again, I read the heading, the fact that the writer of the passage thinks, what he thinks, that we can kill dolphins more easily than they can kill us. It means that they are better adapted to their environment than we are. It proves that dolphins are not the most intelligent species at sea. D, it does not mean that we are superior to them. E, it proves that dolphins have linguistic skills far beyond what we previously thought. So from this passage, what the fact we discover? That we can kill dolphins more easily, they can kill us. तो अब इस heading को, इस version का जवाब you can find out from these 4 options. So encircle the correct answer. Now one can infer from the reading that one can gather, one can get from the reading dolphins passage that क्या हम infer कर सकते हैं, क्या हम get कर सकते हैं कि dolphins are quite abundant in some areas of the world. तो इस पैसेज को पढ़ने के बाद क्या हम ये इन्फर कर सकते हैं, क्या ये हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं कि डॉल्फिन्स आर क्वाइट abundant in some areas of the world. तो abundant means communication is the most fascinating aspect of the dolphins. तो जिस तरह से वो कम्युनिकेट करती हैं, तो दिस इज मोस्ट फैसिनेटिंग एस्पेक्ट ऑफ द डॉल्फिन्स. डॉल्फिन्स का ये जो रुख है वो बहुत शानदार, फैसिनेटिंग है, इंटरेस्टिंग है, अट्रैक्टिव है. क्या ये सही है कि आफ्टर रीडिंग द डॉल्फिन पैसेज वी कम टू नो अबाउट दिस थिंग? सी, dolphins have skills that no other living creatures have, such as the ability to think. This is also very good option. Let's see. It is not usual for dolphins to communicate with each other. B, dolphins have some social traits that are similar to those of humans. ये भी हो सकता है कि डॉल्फिन्स को भी वही सिमिलर ट्रेट्स हैं, सोशल ट्रेट्स हैं. उनका सोशल ट्रेट्स क्या है कि डॉल्फिन्स हेल्प ईच अदर, डॉल्फिन्स टेक केयर ऑफ ईच अदर, डॉल्फिन टेक्स केयर ऑफ प्रेग्नेंट डॉल्फिन्स and they take care of weakest one in their society. So these are traits. तो क्या ये जो some social traits हैं वो similar हैं to those humans? तो ये क्या हम ये infer कर सकते हैं, gather कर सकते हैं, find out कर सकते हैं after reading this passage? So this is the third question. Now this is one small tip. Every time so Now, this is one small, you see that tip. Every time you read something, do not ignore an unknown word to find its meaning immediately. जब भी आप कुछ पढ़ते हैं तो एक अननोन वर्ड आपके सामने आते हैं तो डोंट इग्नोर देम, उनको नजरअंदाज न करें. Try to know the meaning of those words immediately. This will help you a lot to learn new words, but don't forget to use them in your day-to-day conversations. So when you come to know about the meaning of those words, then you must try to use those words in your daily conversation, in your day-to-day conversations, whenever possible. अगर आप उन वर्ड्स को यूज नहीं करेंगे डे टू डे कन्वर्सेशंस तो then again you will forget it. When you are successful to use those words in your day-to-day conversation at the time of need, it means now those words have become your property. तो ये जरूरी है. अभी मैंने कुछ वर्ड्स की मीनिंग देखी, but still I could not use those words, so I forget the meaning. Now I can't use those words in my conversation or in my lecture. But if I got the meaning, I came to know the meaning, then I should have used those words in my 2-3 examples. Then I would have been able to use those words in my conversation or in my lecture. In this way, keep working on your vocabulary without stopping. So this is a small tip, but very important tip. It's up to you whether you are acting according to this suggestion. Okay, when you read anything, you find new words. Don't ignore that these new words are not important. Every new word is very important for you because you don't know the meaning. So quickly, you refer the dictionary and try to know the meaning of those words and then keep it in your mind. This is the meaning. Keep the meaning of words in your mind. And then you try to use those words in your day-to-day conversations. So you'll be able to, you see that, increase your vocabulary. So this is one small tip, but very important tip. Now this is comprehension example again. The Indian Premier League, ILP, is a professional 2020 cricket league. The 2020 cricket league, IPL, आपने सुना होगा, very famous and professional company है. The Indian Premier League, IPL, is a professional 20 cricket league. It contested during the April and May of every year by 8 teams representing 8 cities of India. तो ये कब शुरू होती है? अप्रैल एंड मई के दौरान of every year. How many teams? जो मैंने पहले आपको बताया था कि how can we read the paragraph. तो अब ये है कि एक तो हमने नाम याद रखना है कि इंडियन प्रीमियर लीग क्या है. It is a professional 20 cricket league. कहाँ खेली जाती है? इंडिया में खेली जाती है. कौन से ड्यूरिंग मंथ्स कौन से हैं? वो है अप्रैल एंड मई. अप्रैल और मई ऑफ एवरी ईयर. कितनी टीम्स इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करती हैं? 8. कहाँ से? फ्रॉम 8 डिफरेंट सिटीज ऑफ इंडिया. अब ये हो गया कि इनको यू हैव टू कीप इन योर माइंड. द लीग वाज founded by Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI, in 2008, and is regarded as the brainchild of Lalit Modi. Lalit Modi was the founder of this league, the founder and former commissioner of the league. IPL has an exclusive window in ICC Future Tours program. Now, IPL means Indian Premier League has an exclusive window in ICC International Cricket Future Tours program. IPL is the most attended cricket league in the world. यानी जो ये क्रिकेट लीग है, टूर्नामेंट है, इसमें great number of the people attend or participate. So in 2014, ranked 6th by average attendance among all sports leagues. जितने भी स्पोर्ट्स लीग्स हैं उनमें 6ठे नंबर पर ही आ गई IPL. In 2010, the IPL became the first sporting event in the world to be broadcast live on YouTube. IPL की जितनी मैचेस थी वो YouTube के ऊपर live broadcast की गई. The brand value of IPL in 2018 was US के 6.3 billion. इसकी ब्रांड वैल्यू कीमत जो थी वो 6.3 billion. According to the Duff and Phelps, अब Duff and Phelps ये एक असेसिंग कंपनीज हैं, उनके मुताबिक कि इसका ब्रांड वैल्यू जो है IPL का वो 6.3 बिलियन है. According to BCCI, Board of Control of Cricket in India, उनके मुताबिक क्या कि 2015 IPL season contributed 11.5 billion US 182 million to the GDP of the Indian economy. IPL season के दौरान कितनी contribution हुई to the GDP of India? 11.5 billion. 11.5 billion rupees of India. And bracket में उसको डॉलर्स में चेंज किया गया है कि यूएस के डॉलर कितने हुए 182 million dollars. In dollars 182 millions, and if we say Indian rupees in Indian currency, then we can say 11.5 billion to the GDP of the Indian economy. There have been 11 seasons of IPL tournament. 11 seasons of the IPL. अब तक 11 seasons इनकी पूरी हो गई हैं क्योंकि 2008 में ये शुरू की गई थी. तो फाउंडेशन इसका हुआ था और जो पहली मैच थी वो कब हुई थी वो आप इस पैराग्राफ पढ़ सकते हैं. तो इस तरह से 11 सीजन्स जो हैं वो टूर्नामेंट खेली जा चुकी है. द करंट IPL title holders are the Chennai Super Kings, who won the 2018 season. 2018 में इन्होंने टाइटल्स जीता था चेन्नई में. अब देखें, read the passage and choose the most appropriate answer option. अब वही है ना कि आपने इस पैराग्राफ को पढ़ा, how much you comprehend this paragraph and what you comprehended from the reading of the passage, so you can test the power of your comprehension, your power of understanding of the passage. Question 1. Indian Premier League is considered whose brainchild? ललित मोदी का brainchild समझा जाता है निर्वा मोदी, विनीत जैन, मुकेश अंबानी. Now these are 4 options. You have to select most appropriate option. Now you can give the correct answer when you understood, when you comprehended the passage properly. Number 2 question. How many seasons have been played of IPL till 2018? 10, 12, 11, 9. This is a very complicated question. Now, Chennai got the title in 2014. And how many seasons have been played of IPL till 2018? 10 seasons खेली गई, 12, 11 या 9. Question number 3. In which year IPL became the first supporting event to be the broadcast live on an online platform? 2011, 2010, 2008, or 2012? Question number 4. According to Duff and Phelps, the brand value of IPL in 2018 was 11.5 billion rupees of India, $182 million, C, 6.3 billion, D, $6.3 billion. Now, which is the appropriate answer? You can guess after reading this paragraph. Now, these are 15 slides. After 15 slides, 16, 17, 18 is none of your business. We have to consider only 15 slides. So this is all about comprehension and comprehension examples. Now, if I give you questions, the subjective question किस तरह हो सकता है? वो ये इस तरह हो सकता है कि what is comprehension? तो आप comprehension को define करेंगे. What is comprehension? Or the basic idea of solving comprehension passage. तो उसके साथ ये होगा, या ऐसे ही हो सकता है कि what is comprehension? तो comprehension को define करके फिर इसका basic idea भी देंगे और इसके बाद आप बताएंगे कि why is comprehension important? So this question will be up to this. Question is, what is comprehension? If it comes in your final paper, then you have to explain, then you have to discuss slide number 1, slide number 2, and slide number 3. These 3 slides में से आपने आंसर लिखना है, मगर जो इधर लिखा हुआ है ये रट्टा लगा के उन्हीं वर्ड्स में आपको नहीं लिखना है. आपने समझ के फिर आप अपने वर्ड्स में अगर लिखेंगे तो आपको हाईएस्ट मार्क्स मिलेंगे. बाकी आप रट्टा लगा के वही अल्फाज लिखेंगे तो फिर वो उस हिसाब से मार्क असेसमेंट होगी आपके पेपर की। अच्छा, सेकंड क्वेश्चन इसमें क्या बन सकता है? प्लीज डिस्कस द टिप्स एंड टेक्निक्स टू परफॉर्म द बेटर रीडिंग पैसेज कॉम्प्रिहेंशन। तो या डिस्क्राइब द टिप्स, तो ये आप टिप्स डिस्क्राइब करेंगे। 1 2 3 3 हो गए। This one slide, second slide, and this third slide. These 3 slides. The second question. Now third question, how can you deal with the comprehension passage? उसके लिए ये थर्ड क्वेश्चन बनेगा इस तरह से। अब हाउ कैन यू डील विद द कॉम्प्रिहेंशन पैसेज, तो आपने मिक्सअप नहीं करना है, कंफ्यूज नहीं करना है, कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है। पहले के व्हाट इज कॉम्प्रिहेंशन, तो आपने कॉम्प्रिहेंशन का डेफिनेशन बताना है, उसके बाद उसकी बेसिक आइडिया बतानी है, उसके बाद उसकी इंपॉर्टेंस बतानी है, ये कॉम्प्रिहेंशन हो गया। फिर आपने सेकंड क्वेश्चन में व्हाट आर द टिप्स एंड टेक्निक्स, व्हाट आर द tips and techniques to perform the better reading passage comprehension, उसमें एक स्लाइड दिए, this first slide, this is fourth slide and fifth, sixth slide and seventh. These are 3 slides, 4 slides. तो ये आपको टिप्स और टेक्निक्स बताएंगे। उसके थर्ड क्वेश्चन होगा हाउ कैन यू डील विद द कॉम्प्रिहेंशन पैसेज, तो ये पूरा आपका 6th स्लाइड चलेगी, फिर 7th 8th। तो इसमें 1 2 3 स्लाइड है। How can you deal with the comprehension passage? 1 slide, second slide, third slide, 3 slides है टोटल। अच्छा, ये एक है पैसेज। यस, अब चौथा क्वेश्चन जो है आपको ऐसा आ सकता है कि मैं आपको एक पैसेज दूं, टोटल एक पैसेज दूं जिस तरह डॉल्फिन्स का है, जरूरी नहीं डॉल्फिन्स का नहीं दूंगा, कोई और पैसेज दूंगा, तो उस पैसेज को देके उसके एंड में आपको कुछ क्वेश्चंस होंगे, तो उनको आपने आंसर लिखना है, एप्रोप्रिएट क्वेश्चंस के एप्रोप्रिएट आंसर देने हैं। तो ये भी हो सकता है। और मेरे ख्याल में आपको फाइनल में अब देखते हैं कि डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ मार्क्स किस तरह होगी। तो ये सवाल होगा 8 से 10 मार्क्स का। तो 8 से 10 मार्क्स में आपके जो पहला क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज कॉम्प्रिहेंशन, एक स्लाइड, सेकंड स्लाइड और ये 3 स्लाइड, थर्ड स्लाइड, 3 स्लाइड्स को आप मिला के कोई इसका एप्रोप्रिएट आंसर लिखेंगे, तो 3 स्लाइड्स के लेवल पर 8 में से 10 मार्क्स में आप कितने ले सकते हैं? 1 2 3 4, ये 4 स्लाइड्स में से एक और सेकंड क्वेश्चन एंड थर्ड क्वेश्चन होगा 1 2 3 4, 3 हो गई, 1 2 3 स्लाइड। और चौथा क्वेश्चन अगर मैं आपको पैसेज दूं, तो उसमें से जो आपको क्वेश्चंस नीचे आएंगे, तो फिर उनके आपने जो ऑप्शन है उनको करेक्ट आंसर को इंसर्ट करना है या टिक करना है वो। तो ये इस तरह से आपका आज का लेक्चर पूरा हुआ। मिलते हैं इंशाल्लाह अगले लेक्चर को अगले मंडे को। अल्लाह हाफिज।